you could be sued as a private label.
Like what? Give me an example.
For example, there are certain terms that sellers think are generic, and they don't realize they're actually trademarked terms, and they're not allowed to use them. So, for example, emoji, frisbee, hula hoop.
So
puppet.
if I get this lawsuit, it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm a bad player. May have not even realized that it was a trademark. It's a word, an everyday word that I use in our everyday jargon, and I thought it was a descriptive term or whatever, but it turned out to be a protective term.
Yeah, but unfortunately, that won't help your case with the plaintiff and in negotiating a settlement, because you're still considered to be infringing of the trademark.
So intention has no relevance
No.
as a defense.
No, it won't help you. You can try to play that card, but
would it help me in settlement?
No.
They don't care?
They're not very sympathetic. Yeah.
Okay, so give me an example of funny situations of lawsuits, like funny marks or something that resonates in your mind and makes you smile when you think of it. Make it juicy.
I know how your mind works, so I think I know where you're going with this.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So I think you're referencing the emoji poop. Is that it?
The poop.
Yeah.
So many issues with poop.
Yeah. Okay. So would you like to elaborate on that subject?
Well, people don't realize that the image of the poop is a protected trademark that belongs to Emoji. And they got sued for having all kinds of poop products or using that image or that emoji in their description, in their product, and their packaging. Some even had a cushion that looked like a poop, and their entire product was just poop. I think it was I know it was troubling because they got sued, but it was a little humoristic to explain to them that their product itself is the infringing part, and no, they cannot use that product again with the poop, even if they remove the word poop. So yeah, how did that end?
Emoji is highly litigious, and they go after a lot of sellers who not only use the actual emoji drawings, but also the word emoji itself. Yeah, so don't put that in your listing title or anywhere on your product detail page.
Yes. Also, the emojis themselves are available everywhere. They're on your phone, they're in your text, they're on your keyboard.
Yeah.
And to think that some aspects of your keyboard are protected, it's counterintuitive. It goes against your logic. The letters in my keyboard are not protected, but let us not forget that it's a company and they make money out of it.
That's right.
And anywhere in your keyboard, it's through some sort of license or some sort of an agreement, and you can't willy-nilly take the poop emoji and use it for your benefit. Those were my patriotic words on poop and emoji and intellectual property and e-commerce.